Welcome back. Here we are, doing our bit for Scotland. 2 Shanks Arbroath, Scottish engineering at its finest. We've got here on the right a Shanks Caledonia, also known as the Small, and on my left we've got the Shanks Ivanhoe. So I think we'll start with the Caledonia. So here we go. Let's pop these down. So, Shanks Caledonia. Now, I know just what you're thinking. Is it a toy? No, it's not. This is the real thing. This machine is a 6-inch cut. It's designed for small areas of grass, or sometimes known as a ladies' mower if you want to call it that. So 6-inch cut, it's got 6 blades, so it will give you a fairly fine cut. And this machine is around and about the 1910 mark. So it's a nice early machine. It's also gear driven, so under this nice casting here, we've got some nice gears there, as you can see. Originally it would have come with a box. Sadly I didn't get a box with it, but something maybe to make up another time. So as you can see, it's got a free wheel on it, so when you pull it back the blades don't go, and then when you push it forward the blades turn. So it's a little ratchet system in the roller. So the Caledonia, this was made in numerous sizes: 6-inch, 8-inch, 10-inch, 12, 14, and I believe they did a 16. Obviously the bigger it was, the more it cost, and I guess you probably bought it depending on how much grass you were going to cut. So there's the Shanks Caledonia, also known as the Small. So we're going to move on to the Ivanhoe. Let's have a look at the Ivanhoe. So here we are, Shanks Ivanhoe. Look at that lovely plate. Ivanhoe, it suggests quite a tough machine, and I would say so, definitely. Fine engineering, everything's beautifully made. Nice little feature, it's got a split roller, which there's a diff in there, which means when you turn it, it does turn easier without scuffing the grass. And again, like the Caledonia, pull it back and it freewheels, push it forward and the blades go. So here we go, talking about blades. 12-inch cut. This has got 8 blades on it, so this would have been sold for fine grass cutting. Maybe you had a bowling green or something like that, give you a very, very fine cut. And the adjustments you've got on the front here, the 2 hand wheels either side. These, by undoing them, lowers or highes the roller. Here we are, 2-piece roller, and looking at those rollers, looks like Mr. Woodworm, he's had his breakfast, lunch and dinner on those. Something for me to do at a later date. So the next lot of adjustments we've got is the on-cut, which are these 2, and those 2 set the blade to the bottom blade. Cylinder mowers, most of them anyway, need to be touching. A bit of light resistance, and to adjust would be loosen lock nuts, tighten down either side. So that's the adjustments there. And just come and have a look at this little peephole. I flip that back, beautifully precision cut gears in there. And you would have probably had a little bit of oil in there. It's what they call an oil bath, so there would have been a little bit of oil at the bottom there, just to lubricate it. And obviously, like the Caledonia, you've got nice wooden handle grips, fit your hands very nicely. And as far as I know, I think the Ivanhoe was, I think it was only a 12-inch cut, but no doubt there'll be somebody to put me right on that. So there we go, what a treat. 2 fine machines. Roller, hand mower, made in Scotland by Shanks. And hopefully you enjoyed the video, and next week we're going to be talking about a little restoration project, and this is the Camera Lady's Greens Moltening Parvo. Till next week, thanks for watching.